everyone, this is Divya and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the review of Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So let's get started. So firstly we will talk about its packaging. As you can see, this is available in tube form, but this is also available in glass bottle, but I recommend you to purchase the tube because tube is very travel friendly and you can easily carry this anywhere and there are no chances of breakage while you are traveling. So I will recommend you to purchase the tube of this foundation. Here mentioned that this is for normal to oily skin, but if you have a very dry skin then you can also use this, but before applying you should make sure that you moisturize your skin properly, then apply this. Now let's talk about what it claims. So here mentioned that this is matte and poreless. So if you have so many pores on your skin, then it completely hides all your pores and it gives you a matte finish. So if you want a very shine and very glowing skin, then this is not for you. But if you want a natural glow on your skin, then this is for you. And I am using this product from last 1 year, so I can say this. And the demerit of this product that it little bit oxidized. So in summer you should apply compact after applying this. And this is available in 6 shades, which is very good because there are very few foundations are available in so many shades. So you can easily find the shades according to your skin tone. And this is 18 ml in 239, which is not very costly, I think. Now I am going to apply this. As you can see, this is in flowing consistency, but before applying this you should make sure that you moisturize your skin properly and apply the primer, then apply this. I already applied the moisturizer and primer. Now I am going to apply this. If you want to see, then I am using this Blue Heaven primer. Now I am going to apply this on one side of my face. Let's see how it will work. Now I am going to blend this. You can also use brush for spreading this. So yeah, it's ready applied. Now you can see the difference between this side and this side of my face. You can see it completely hide all my pores in compared to this side, and it's give me a matte finish, not very shine. So yeah, it actually doing both the works which it claims. It provides you a matte finish and poreless skin. As you can see the difference between both sides of my face. So I will highly recommend this foundation to you. You should try at least once. And this is the review of this product. If you like today's video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye and take care.